I could not believe my ears when I heard some discussions recently about there being too many local track and field meets on the early season calendar. The complaint is that on any given weekend, there are multiple track meets spread across the island, and that this is somehow bad for the young athletes. Tell me something. Is Brilliant the Maverick brilliant, or everybody else just stupid? Because as far as I know, no school or university or individual athlete is forced or compelled to compete at any of these meets. It's all a matter of choice by the coaches to decide which meet their athletes will compete and which one they will not compete. We all know that champs is the big one. So everybody's preparation and early season are geared towards readiness for champs. So depending on the programs of the particular athlete, the coaches might go to that meet and then miss that meet, etc. I want to tell you, a wider range and variety of track meets mean more options for the coaches and the athletes, and that must be a good thing. One thing for sure, nobody not holding any hammer or peacock stick over anybody's head and say run or don't run at that meet. It's all a matter of choice. How then in God's name can we have too many track meets? Oh, don't tell me. Tell me how. Tell me how I don't understand. Tell me. Please tell me. How?